I don't know whether yeah. I mean, for you, it's something new to play, so. And obviously you're quite good at aiming. Zero build, so therefore like the whole aim sort of thing. And if you played other games like CSGO or something, or in Valorant, then you'd probably pick it up really easily. Very strategic though. I was gonna say if you think about though the ESL ones, which were 4v4, the only people that are likely to qual, or the only people that qualified were tier 1 pros, really, so. They were all teams that, you know, consisted of Malibu, Veno, and Clickplay, for example. I mean, the fact there's only one map out as well, isn't there? There's one map, which is probably quite good, because then you've got a chance to actually learn that one map. Hmm. I think the pros will get very good at it very quickly. If they invest any sort of time in it. Because Valorant is really strategic. It's so strategic. So strategic. So if they're going to have tournaments, you're going to have, just like ESL, you had Heretics pushing up players, you had Common Core playing, so you had all the top teams within Valorant picking up teams in Fortnite just for that one event. So as soon as there's a big tournament announced, then the pros will be interested and they'll pick up. I don't know. But yeah, be interesting to see if it's any good. But I'm still trying to get to Unreal, so. No. I saw Frankie doing an analysis of it yesterday on Twitter. I think there may be only one power or something to start with, or you can only carry one thing, but yeah, it'd be nice to see how it goes.